Hi, in this video we're going to be solving the following separable equation or differential equation rather. So separable equation simply means you have to group the like terms. So here, as you can see, we have variables of x on the right hand side and variables of y on the left hand side. So when we group them, we'll keep e to the power y with dy, then we multiply both sides by dx. We'll have 2x cos x squared x. Then we divided them, so we grouped the like terms. Then from there we introduced the integral sign on both sides. So with the integral sign, you'll see that when you integrate e to the power y, you'll get e to the power y. It won't change, so it will remain the same. It will be e to the power y. Then the right hand side, I'll do it separately. So as you can see, the formula here says integration of f prime of x cos f of x dx is equals to f prime of x, but we have sine f of x divided by f prime of x that we found. So basically what I'm saying is the f prime that you see there is that one from there. It's original f prime, and the one that I'm gonna find is this one. It's the found. So then now we have our formula. So step number one, we identify the f of x from the equation. So from the equation, you can see that this one represents our f of x. I'm looking at the formula. According to the formula, that's our f of x, and then that will be our f prime of x, that is original. It comes with the equation. That's why I name it original. So I'm gonna take my f of x from the equation, which is x squared, and then I'm gonna do the f prime of that x squared. Then you'll get 2x. Then this will become my found f prime. This will be my found f prime, is the one that I calculated. And then I'll take this and substitute them back to the formula. This one, I'll substitute them back here. So our e to the power y will be equals to f prime original, which is 2x, that came with the equation, and then sine f of x, which is x squared, all divided by the found f prime, which is also 2x. These two will cancel, and then you'll be left with sine x squared. So therefore our final answer is e to the power y equals to sine x squared. And that's how you solve this equation. Thank you for watching.